Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Insight episode number 2. In this episode, we will give a brief introduction on Lanner's BIOS customization services. As we all know that BIOS plays a critical part and also an important role during pre-boot up OS environment. It basically gives a brief general foundation on how the computer system will run and what kind of commands it will play pertaining to the stability of the system, even the security part of the system. So in the following presentations, we'll give a brief introduction what Lanner can offer regarding BIOS customizations. One of the Lanner electronic strengths is to customize BIOS for our customers, regardless of OEM or ODM. One of the three major areas or fields that we get, or the requests we get from our customers to customize BIOS is regarding to system customization or any customization regarding security and also remote management. And as for customizations, system customizations, if you want any customization regarding messages, LOD control, or DIDO functions, you can let us know and we can offer you a checklist. And we can actually, we are actually very flexible regarding any sort of features that we can do to perform for you regarding under BIOS. As for security, if you have any requests regarding secure boot, boot guard, or the dual BIOS boot option, we can have that customized for you within our BIOS as well. Also under remote management, if you have any requests to communicate to the system regarding through the IPMI path, let us know. We can also customize that within the BIOS for you. So let's go more in depth regarding system customization. So we know that post screen or BIOS is the area which before the OS boot is a critical part when it comes to the behavior of the system before the operating system loads. So under system customizations, if you want to have any requests regarding specific logo or text, or default passwords that need to be changed, or how if you have any messages that you want to display in the LCM modules, or DIDO functions. Also, the most important one that the power state on the systems, just in case you have an AC power loss, if you want the systems to boot with either on or off when the power is restored, let us know, and we can also customize that in the BIOS for you. Also, another critical option such as FIPS level 1, we can offer temper detection, such as we call it case open detection. Also, DMI value need to be changed per company or per ODM, the boot priority, of course, and also the watchdog timer. And the most common journal is the LOD status on the systems that all can be customized within the BIOS as well. It's more and more in depth regarding the BIOS customization features. Under boot security, we can also customize for you, like I mentioned on the first page regarding boot guard, the UEFI secure boot or dual BIOS. So we know that Intel boot guard is part of the UEFI secure boot chain. And as for secure boot, it basically works like a security gate where the code get valid credentials, get through this gate and executes. However, secure boot blocks at the gate and rejects a code that has bad credentials or no credentials. And for dual BIOS, if you want a specific path regarding the dual BIOS function that Lanner offers, always let us know and we can also customize that for you. As for the remote BIOS options, we do offer a comprehensive remote management solutions. For appliances, that's with our onboard VMC chipset. And like I said, it features system inventory and other options that such as remote firmware update, remote diagnostics, remote console automations, OS deployments, anything that's remotely, we can also customize that for you within our BIOS as well. And the main benefits from remote BIOS was pre-OS remote management, and then reduce the TCO and enhance mobility. And also, without an engineer on site, we can always perform troubleshoot and repair remotely.
So this pretty much conclude the general cover, the options and topic regarding the BIOS customization services.
So thank you for watching this presentation regarding BIOS customization services from Lanner. So in the future, if you have any requests regarding BIOS customizations or just any general question regarding BIOS, remember always contact us and we will give you a customization recommendations based on our best knowledge. Until then, see you next time, episode 3.